Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle solution for jewelry. First, gather your materials. You'll need either alum or citric acid, which are common household items. Distilled water is crucial for a clean solution. Also, prepare a non-reactive container, such as a glass or plastic bowl, and a safe way to heat your mixture. This simple setup ensures you're ready to create an effective cleaning agent for your precious pieces. Now, let's mix your solution. For every 1 part of alum or citric acid, add 10 parts of distilled water. For example, if you use 1 tablespoon of acid, add 10 tablespoons of water. Gently heat this mixture to approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir continuously until the powder completely dissolves, creating a clear, uniform solution. This careful mixing ensures optimal effectiveness for cleaning your jewelry. Safety is paramount when using pickle solution. Always wear safety glasses and protective gloves to prevent skin or eye irritation. When retrieving your jewelry, use only brass or copper tongs, as steel can contaminate the solution. After pickling, rinse your jewelry thoroughly under running water to neutralize any remaining acid. This ensures your pieces are clean and safe to handle. To maintain your pickle solution, allow it to cool completely before storing it in a sealed, labeled container. This prevents evaporation and accidental misuse. Replace the solution when it appears cloudy, discolored, or no longer effectively cleans your jewelry. Proper maintenance extends its lifespan and ensures consistent results. Also, for other great deals and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.